So I thought I would film my first grocery haul for my lifestyle change once again. We're changing again. Okay, so I'll start over here. I got some grapes, just some red grapes. I got this bread. It is the Oat and Honey by Country Harvest. I got 2 loaves of the whole wheat Wonder Bread. That's for the kids' sandwiches, they like that. And this bread's for me. I got, I'll start in the back, a pineapple. I like to buy it whole just because it's cheaper. I got 3 cartons of 1% milk. I got 2 of these spring mix salads. This is the cranberry, almonds, and apple salad with like spinach and stuff. I got 2 of those. I really like to have those when I'm in a rush and I don't like have time to like cook my lunches. I got 2 Greek yogurts. They're vanilla. A carton of eggs. I got 2 packages of Cracker Barrel cheese because they're on sale and Trevor is obsessed with cheese. And I got a package of boneless chicken breast. Boneless, yeah, whatever. Anyways, there's chicken in there, you know. I'm like, I can't open it. Okay, and then I got these saltine crackers, soda crackers or whatever they're called. The unsalted ones. Trevor likes those for his snack too. And so does Alex. I got these granola bars for Florence for her lunches for school. Got a watermelon. The kids love watermelon. Well, Florence loves watermelon. Some green apples. Some, I got this for my sides, like for my lunches and suppers. Baby, whatever, I don't even know what that is. And spinach, I don't know, whatever. I got some celery. I got some extra lean ground beef. I got broccoli, 2 English cucumbers, a lime, because I like to put that in my water, like pieces of, or not lime, oh my gosh, lemon. I like to put pieces of lemon in my water. I got a red pepper. We already have orange pepper in the fridge already, so I only had to buy 1. A red onion, 2 large red grapefruits. I love those in the morning. 2 bananas, just because I'm the only one to eat them, and I don't like when they go like weird. I don't know, I only like them when they're green. I got 2 things of raspberries. I got 2 things of strawberries and 2 things of blackberries. And I think that's everything that I got. There. I think that's everything I got. But there's our grocery haul for the week. It's very healthy because not only am I eating healthier, but I think I really want the family to eat a lot healthier too. So, and a lot of things we already have, like we have potatoes and rice and salmon already. So this is just what we needed this week. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.